Welcome back, NEET warriors! Today is day 18, and this is not a regular class. This is your active recall revision day. We are going to cover 5 of the highest weightage chapters in NEET biology in one sitting. Photosynthesis, respiration in plants, plant growth and development, lock in, no distractions. Let's dominate. Let's fire up Chapter 13, Photosynthesis. First, active recall. Close your eyes and tell me, where does the Calvin cycle happen? If you said thylakoid, that is a trap question NEET loves to test. The answer is the stroma. The thylakoid is for light reactions only. Now rapid fire. C3 plants fix CO2 directly in mesophyll using Rubisco. C4 plants like sugarcane use Cran's anatomy. CO2 is first fixed in mesophyll as OAA, then pumped to bundle sheath. CAM plants, think cacti, open stomata at night to conserve water. The Z-scheme, electrons flow from PS2 to PS1, not the other way. And a massive NEET trap. The oxygen released in photosynthesis comes from the splitting of water, not from CO2. Lock this in forever. Chapter 14, Respiration in Plants. This chapter is about where the plant gets its energy from, and it mirrors human cellular respiration almost exactly. Let's score this fast. Glycolysis happens in the cytoplasm. Always, whether oxygen is there or not. It gives 2 net ATP. Then pyruvate goes to the mitochondrial matrix, becomes acetyl-CoA, enters the Krebs cycle. 2 more ATP, 6 NADH, 2 FADH2 per glucose. The electron transport chain on the inner mitochondrial membrane generates 34 more ATP. Total, approximately 38 ATP aerobically. Now the NEAT trick, respiratory quotient, RQ. For carbohydrates, it is exactly 1. For fats, it drops below 1, around 0.7. For organic acids, it goes above 1. If NEAT gives you a question with RQ greater than 1, think succulent plants or organic acids. Don't get trapped. Chapter 15, Plant Growth and Development. This is a chapter full of NEAT traps, so pay attention. The 5 plant hormones. Auxin promotes cell elongation, but at high concentrations actually inhibits root growth. That's why roots grow away from auxin. Gibberellins cause stem elongation and bolting. Bolting means premature flowering in biennial plants. Cytokinins promote cell division and delay leaf senescence. The Richmond-Lang effect shows cytokinins keep leaves green longer. Abscisic acid is the villain. It closes stomata under drought stress and maintains seed dormancy. Ethylene is the only gaseous hormone. It ripens fruits, causes the triple response in seedlings, which is horizontal growth, stunted growth, and exaggerated plumular hook. Now for the biggest trap in this chapter, photoperiodism. Short day plants flower when the night is long, not when the day is short. NEAT has literally asked this. The critical factor is the dark period, not the light period. Chapter 16, Breathing and Exchange of Gases. This chapter is all about numbers and gradients, and NEAT tests exact values almost every year. Let me rapid fire the critical ones. Tidal volume, the air you breathe in and out normally, is 500 milliliters. Inspiratory reserve volume is 2,500 to 3,000 milliliters. Expiratory reserve volume is about 1,000 milliliters. Residual volume, the air that can never be expelled, is 1,100 to 1,200 milliliters. Vital capacity equals TV plus IRV plus ERV. Now the gas exchange. Oxygen moves from the alveoli, where partial pressure is 104 milliliters mercury, into the blood at 40 milliliters mercury. It always flows down the gradient. CO2 moves in the opposite direction. How is CO2 transported? 70% as bicarbonate ions in plasma. This is the chloride shift, where chloride ions move into RBCs to balance the charge. 23% as carbaminohemoglobin. Only 7% is dissolved directly. Don't flip these numbers in the exam. Chapter 17, Body Fluids and Circulation, one of the most direct mark-scoring chapters for NEAT. Let's attack the cardiac cycle first. The SA node is the pacemaker. It generates the electrical impulse that starts every heartbeat. The impulse goes to the AV node, then the bundle of His, then the Purkinje fibers. Systolic pressure is 120 millimeters mercury. Diastolic is 80. Cardiac output is heart rate multiplied by stroke volume. 72 beats times 70 milliliters equals roughly 50-40 milliliters per minute. Now blood groups, a neat gold mine. O negative is the universal donor because it has no antigens at all, so no immune reaction. AB positive is the universal recipient because it has all antigens and no antibodies. The most dangerous clinical scenario, erythroblastosis fetalis, occurs when an Rh negative mother carries an Rh positive baby for the second time. Her antibodies cross the placenta and destroy the fetal RBCs. This only happens in the second pregnancy, not the first. Remember that distinction. Now let's put your knowledge to the test. These are the top 10 NEET traps from these 5 chapters. Pause the video and try to answer each one before I reveal it. 1. Oxygen in photosynthesis comes from 3, 2, 1, water. 2. Can plants open stomata when 3, 2, 1, night. 3. Does glycolysis require oxygen? 3, 2, 1, no, it's always anaerobic. 4. RQ of fats. 3, 2, 1, less than 1. 5. Which hormone is called the stress hormone? 3, 2, 1, abscisic acid. 6. Short day plants flower due to long what? 3, 2, 1, night, not short day. 7. Can residual volume be expelled by force? 3, 2, 1, no, it always stays. 8. How is most CO2 transported? 3, 2, 1, as bicarbonate ions, 70%. 9. What is the pacemaker of the heart? 3, 2, 1, SA node. 10. Does erythroblastosis fetalis occur in the first pregnancy? 3, 2, 1, no, always the second. How did you score? Drop your marks in the comments below. Let's see who's NEET ready. And that is day 18 done. You just revised 5 chapters, decoded 10 NEET traps, and strengthened your grip on Plant and Human Physiology Part 1. If you scored 10 on 10 in that quiz, drop a crown emoji in the comments. If you didn't, that's fine. Rewatch the sections you missed and attempt those MCQs again. Consistency beats cramming, every single time. Tomorrow, on day 19, we dive into excretory products and their elimination, nephron structure, GFR, countercurrent mechanism, and dialysis. It's a NEET favorite. Don't miss it. Hit subscribe, smash the bell, and I'll see you tomorrow. Keep going. NEET 2026 is yours.